Let us introduce you the amazing part of this online application eMBiva. eMBiva not only help you in preparation of estimates, comparative statement and justification statement, but it helps beyond that. It helps as a true friend of you for preparation of computerized MB and statements of the bills. Nowadays, it is the responsibility of contractors also to submit computerized MB along with their bills, so that this part of application RA will help you a lot in preparation of computerized MB and statements of the bills. You can use this application on your smartphone also, so that you can measure and record entry in this application anytime you want. You need not to take entry of the measurements in rough notebook and then feed in this application. On spot, you can enter the measurements in this application, and rest of the work of preparing MB, preparation of bill documents will be done automatically by this application. As we prepared estimate and then comparative and justification statement using this software application, so a lot of basic work is ready for doing work in RA bill section. So we simply select this section tab RA bill and press it. After pressing the RA bill button, this kind of page is in front of us. From here, we select our work in which we want to put some record entries. The work is selected now. Now we press this button Add Schedule, and this will add all the approved rate of the contractor and the item. That means agreement schedule here in this area. See, here all the items are displayed as this is the area in which we can type the extra item number like 18.13.6.3 like this, and we press this add button, so the extra items will be added to that array bill. It is now first array bill open for measurement. So it will be required to put here the initial date of start of first array bill. Now we selected 24/5/2021. End date will be required to enter at the end of first array bill, and it will facilitate us to prepare second array bill. Otherwise, second array bill will not open. Now here we put some MB number like 1111 and press the enter button, so that MB number is successfully added to the system. This is the tick button. After selecting this, the first and final bill will be prepared, second and final bill, third and final bill, like this. This is the button of transfer. By selecting this, we can transfer measurements of one item to another item if they are similar. Here, by pressing this button, we can prepare the analysis part of the extra items. This is the area by which, pressing this arrow, we can see the different reports of this bill. Before starting, we will select the type of work, whether it is project work or maintenance work. We selected here maintenance work. So the deviation limits will be according to the limits decided for maintenance work. If you select project work, then limits of deviation will be 100% for foundation and 30% for superstructures. Here the name of agency will be displayed automatically, and here the agency's rebate, if any, will be displayed to us. After doing this much exercise, now we will see how we can enter the measurements in this eMBA. We select the work again in which we want to do record entry of the site measurements. Now we select, suppose, earthwork we want to enter. After selecting the earthwork from here, this window will open just below the schedule. Here we put the date of measurement, suppose 28/5/21. This is the area in which we can write the coefficient of item which is going to be measured, and it is be useful for the measurement of reinforcement and steel work. But for earthwork it is not useful. Then we press the enter button of the number keyboard 2 times, and we see that cursor is in the section details. Here we can type the particulars of the item, say foundation pit number 1. Okay. Now these 2 columns for number, say 3 rows and 2 pits. Length is 1.2, width is 1.35, and depth is 0.5. And the calculation is 4.86 cubic meter. Here is the rate, full rate. We will put the cursor here and press the enter button, so that it is all the details regarding our measurements are here, that the quantity of item is 4.86, up-to-date quantity of item is 4.86, up-to-date bill amount is 1215, and since previous bill amount is 1215. Like this, all the details will be displayed here. Now we will measure the second item. Like this, you can enter one by one. Now we go for second item to get enter. Here we put the date of measurement, suppose 3/30/5/21. Foundation pits, foundation pits, 3 rows, 2 footings, 1.2, 1.35 and 0.15. Now it is the quantity 1.485. Since it is the first arrival, up-to-date quantity also 1.485. Here is the rate 5750. The amount is 8383.5. Total amount of this bill after measuring these two measurements of two items, 9598.5. Since previous amount is 9598.5. In this way, as the bill as we enter the measurements, this section will be automatically updated and show the latest bill amount to us.